So today we will learn one concept related to MongoDB connection and Express.js. So this is our server2.js and this is our db2.js. So in this file we wrote our DB connection code, and can you find any problem in this code? And the fourth one is server.js. So the main difference between server2.js and the server.js uh, is bit of approaches. So the main difference is in the server2.js we first starting the server, and then we are connecting uh, the database, and in the server.js we are first connecting to database, then we are starting the server. So what is the difference and which one is recommended and good so today we will learn about this. So approach one is server first, then DB, and the second one is DB first, then server. So what's the problem? What is the problem with approach one? So approach one, this creates a half alive application, which is bad engineering. Uh, I will explain why this is a bad engineering and the bad approach. So there is a danger window. If a user sends a request in the first few milliseconds before the DB connection is established, the request might fail or crash your app because Mongoose is not ready. So application ready to accept traffic? By approach one, the answer is maybe. By approach two, we can answer it clearly, yes or no. And approach 2 prevents accepting requests when DB is unavailable. And so the question is, even if the server starts first, if MongoDB fails, process.exit one is code for error failure, so we'll kill the process anyway. So what's the problem? The problem is window. There is a small window. So at 0 millisecond server is now live. Okay, so at 1 millisecond a user or a bot sends a post request to your server. So at 2 millisecond your route tries to save a user to MongoDB. But this is approach one, in which we first starting the server and then connecting the database. So at 3 millisecond crash because Mongo is still in the middle of connecting. At 500 millisecond connect DB finally finishes or fails. So this is the main problem. The best and the recommended approach is approach to first uh, connect the DB, then start the server. So thank you so much.